Arrest of a threat. BJP Manipur says detention of Kishore Chand Wangkim under NSA is not against human rights as it was approved by NSA board. Road fights lead to murder. Irate residents briefly block Tidim Road again, scaling of a man over road takeover by one SBI deputy manager with his licensed gun. Banking services affected. United Forum of Bank Unions Manipur State Committee joins nationwide day-long bank strike. Bank employees state sit-in at SBI MG Avenue branch. Gearing up for victory, Manipur People's Party observes 51st Foundation Day. Party announces names of candidates for upcoming Lok Sabha elections. And local cable operators condemned a new tariff issued by the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. BJP Manipur Pradesh has clarified that detention of Kishore Chand Wangkim under NSA was not carried out against human rights. The party asserted that Kishore Chand was arrested for his misconducts with the approval of the NSA board. Speaking to media at his office in New Secretariat today, party spokesperson and BJP MLA S. Rajan stated that the BJP-led state government cannot impose NSA to anyone at whims. He maintained that the BJP government has never carried out its governance with dictatorship attitude but has always strived for the welfare of the public, abiding the tenets of democracy. He stated that the BJP-led government honors all national and state freedom fighters and leaders. MLA Rajan mentioned that the Indian government released a postal stamp in honor of Manipur's Lamyanba Hizam Irawat. He also mentioned that New Delhi's Chanakyapuri Road was renamed as Bir Tikendrajit Road. The BJP spokesperson mentioned that the birth anniversary celebrations of national leaders in the state is not carried out only by BJP government, but such celebrations were held even during the rule of Congress government. He also stated that BJP Chief Minister and Biren Bing from journalism background holds high regards for journalists and at the same time is well versed with the ethics of journalism. MLA S. Rajan expressed suspicion that the recent Facebook post of Kishore Chand abusing the Chief Minister and the Prime Minister was carried out with the backing of certain group of malicious individuals. He also said Kishore Chand is involved in various other cases and the recent Facebook brawl is not the first case. Rajan said Kishore Chand might have been arrested due to his habitual offence which poses a threat to country's communal harmony. The BJP spokesperson reiterated that Kishore Chand Wangkim was detained under NSA with the approval of an NSA board comprising of senior advocates led by a retired Chief Justice.
Kishore Chand Wangkim zagi mathakta pal osina mai mathakta case am loraga NSA palaga thagale posi bota puthopa kanda magi thagale mangonda toriba charge mayam singa do reasonable oiba charge yauramba yai maramduna ni magi board na maji NSA detail tobada yare haidana board na confirm torais hanjan mana crime ohum tawre tawgriba crime hum du excuse tawigiba aikoi judge na ngakpi gibasu yawi Hanjal Lanjan Tauranu Haiba, warning Tauru Port ama Hanjal Lanjan Torpuduna Masina, Akaiba Mayam Tola Kanda, Magi Matauta Maga, Miamda, Aikoi Mayamama, Matung Ilapayaba Mayamama, Europe Mayamduna, Aikoi Maduda, NSA, Adudaga, Palisi, Yareka and a born a Pisi, Adumbada, Taurizara.
Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights YFPHR and Iramdam Kanba Apunba Lop Ikal in a separate press releases strongly condemned the detention of Kishore Chand Wangkim under NSA and urged the relevant authority to release him at the earliest. Irate residents block Tidim Road at Changangai Uchekon in protest against the killing of a man by one SBI deputy manager using his licensed gun following fights over road takeover. The incident occurred around 9:30 at Naramthong on the Lamphal police station. The deceased is identified as Salam Prashanta, 20 years, son of Salam Tombra from Changangai Uchekon. Chabungbam Budachandra, 56 years, all SBI deputy manager at Laimakong branch from Sagol Bantera, Lukrakbam Laikai, allegedly shot Prasanta on his chest with his licensed gun. Blocking of the road caused major inconveniences in transportations this morning. Upon getting information about blocking of the road, MLA Nauriapakang Lakpa constituency, Soibam Subhash Chandra MLA, Patsoy A.K. Mirabai along with SP Imphal West, Jogesh Chandra immediately rushed at the site to intervene the situation. They negotiated with the protesters, after which blocking of the road was withdrawn. Strongly condemning the incident, the protesters demanded to punish the perpetrator with befitted punishment. They also warned of intense agitations if the government fails to punish the culprit. The irate residents further urged the government to conduct proper investigations before issuing any licensed gun. The victim, Salam Prasanta, is survived by a 3-year-old daughter and a pregnant wife. The accused, Chabungbam Budachandra, was arrested by Lamphal police and also seized his licensed gun. The deceased is kept at Rims morgue for necessary autopsy.
ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯐꯪꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯥꯁꯨ ꯍꯟꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯍꯟꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯔꯦꯟꯇꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯡꯅꯦꯟ ꯈꯠꯄꯁꯤ ꯎꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯈꯣꯠꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯡ ꯍꯜꯂꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯃꯃꯤꯠꯈꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯉ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯃꯃꯤꯠꯈꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯈꯣꯠꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯆꯤꯟꯁꯦ ꯊꯤꯔꯨꯔꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯈꯔꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯉꯥꯡꯉꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯏꯐꯥꯎ ꯊꯧꯒꯠꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯥ ꯈꯥꯝꯕ ꯎꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯈꯥꯝꯃꯦꯕ ꯃꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯈꯥꯝꯍꯧꯔꯦꯕ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯃꯆꯤꯟꯗ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯏꯗꯣ ꯈꯥꯝꯃꯦ ꯃꯥ ꯈꯥꯝꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯀꯨꯝꯊꯔꯛꯄꯒ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯩꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯁꯥꯏꯠ ꯕꯦꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯔꯣꯛ ꯁꯤꯡꯉꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄꯅꯦꯕ
ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯟꯗꯤꯁꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯃꯁꯨꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯄꯤꯛꯄ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯗꯨ ꯅꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯗꯤꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯪꯅꯗꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯦꯟꯁ ꯒꯟ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯠꯂꯒꯗꯤ ꯂꯨꯈ꯭ꯔꯥꯕꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯤꯡꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯦꯟꯁ ꯒꯟ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯃꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯤꯅꯤ.
Youth Action Committee for the Protection of Indigenous People, YACPIP, in a press release strongly condemned the killing of Salam Prasanta over a road takeover. The committee extends full support in all strive to bring justice to the deceased. Women folks of Samuro today states a sit-in demanding befitted punishment to rape accused Abujam Tombisana. The protesters also urged the relevant authority to award punishments to those who support the accused rapists. Family members of the alleged victim and Maira Paibi members states the protest meet at Samuro Bazaar. Speaking to media, a relative of the victim, Wan Naurem Malabi, alleged Abujam Tombisana, who runs a boarding school, of raping a boarder last August. She said the victim has been severely traumatized by the incident, necessitating her to consult a psychiatric every month. She complained that, despite assurances from Chief Minister N. Biren to punish the culprit, no actions are taken up till date.
Tombisana haiba nupaje woktabaje akan bat chairak dandi pibiu haibane ba khoina magi sapota lepiba mi ngajiju akoidi matik chaba dandi do phangan biyo semna lae maji wangoi da phangshal amagi masana makhongna thongna ai kumthara kani noi lakna kumthara matungda akhoi mayamna makhong kola haijai mamaji na kapaga ai sai si kamai tobunu haiba matamda aran bagi da maktadi aina ngasi soidana mabu phangam thokwa dandi pigani haibje semna hairame adu ngasi bu tawrakadra haiba dagi akhoi tumina sum jesi Maira Paibi club imung manu tumina laibane ba adu ngasi di karigumi tamoina pirakpa laitrabanina akhoi na khongjan ji changjalakpane ba samjan gani phangdu ba akhoi siraju isugi da maktadi sigani haiba.
Banking services across the state were affected today as United Forum of Bank Unions, Manipur State Committee, has joined the nationwide day-long bank strike. Bank employees of SBI MG Avenue branch states a sit-in as a part of the strike called against the proposed merger of Bank of Baroda, Dena Bank and Vijaya Bank, besides demanding pay revision and speedy loan repayment by corporate defaulters. Speaking on the sidelines, Chairman of the committee, Soram Bijoy, stated that the nationwide bank strike is being supported by 10 lakh bank officers and staffers. He urged to the government not to act against the interests of the people.
September 30 Union Finance Minister na Bank of Baroda, Dena Bank, Vijaya Bank si punchal lagani hai. Punchal bagi mong di process kramai toge bu mahang na alternative mechanism ni hai. Alternative mechanism si kari togdo na hai kanda masi ki matang sida akoi na inate forum of bank union na yade hojik bank punchal bagi mahota akoi inate forum na demand tori basi bank yo laitriba bank hangre mafam sing sida adumati hojik bank hangdokpa sina hojik ki prajengi yamna maru ibani bank branches hangdokadabani bank amalgamation tawbasi hojik matam chade aduna inade forum na yaba ngamde.
Manipur People's Party MPP, the oldest regional political party of Manipur, observed its 51st foundation day today. The party was founded by a senior politician, Salam Tombi, in 1968. The regional party has also announced names of its candidates contesting from outer and inner parliamentary constituencies in the upcoming Lok Sabha election. Party President Oinam Jogindro also welcomed supports to MPP but firmly declared that the party will not conjoin with any national party. Speaking further on the sidelines of the Foundation Day ceremony held at MPP head office near Imphal Polo Ground, Oinam Jogindro termed it unfortunate that people trust national parties more than regional party. He stated that supporting only the national parties will lead to dependency. He asserted that MPP, which ruled the state for 35 months in 3 stages for 11 months, 4 months and 22 months, has always espoused for coexistence of all the indigenous communities of the state. The party president appealed for public support in the upcoming election.
Akoina Manipur da leriba Manipur Praja Singchina Akoigi Manipur party se masi na thairaga National Party da akoigi mai wonsala pugumna uripe se masi akoi Manipur Party na aki aphawi amade Manipur da leriba Praja Singna mipal tangdragadi hingaroi habigi wakhalol do maduda laklabra habatu singnada bangamde.
Attending the event, convener of MPP Election Committee, Mutum Nirmala, stated that even though the party has failed to field candidates in elections in the past, the party is now all set to field candidates in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections owing to faith and trust that people have in the party. She announced that party president Oinam Jogindro will contest from inner parliamentary constituency, while Laikham Kaipu from Chandal district will contest from the outer parliamentary constituency in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections.
Inner Manipuri parliamentary constituency gi oina yamna ikai khumna jariba aduga ikhoi gi party asigi hauji maksu president gi pham pubiriba kai khumna jariba mingoina panjarabada Oinam Jogindro Singabu party ki official candidate oina Inner Manipuri parliamentary constituency da thana bagi damak ikhoi sabchaba phirep laujabaga loinana mahak mirep ama oire haibagi election committee na mangonda ayaba piduna ikhoi ngasi ma se lakthokchari aduga outer Manipuri parliamentary constituency gi oina Sanden district agi Laikham Kaipu hariba misak asi akhoi election committee ne yamna kumna khanarba matungda outer Manipur parliamentary constituency gi oina mirep oina ayaba pikhre.
CPI Manipur observed the 93rd Foundation Day of Communist Party of India (CPI) at Irabat Bhavan, BT Road today. Speaking in the event, State Secretary of CPI Lashram Sotin Kumar has rebuked the BJP government of failing to convert its promises for developmental works into actions. He said the BJP will be definitely defeated in the upcoming MP election and will never form government at the centre again. Sotin Kumar reminded that CPI took a great role in the freedom struggle of India and uplifting of underprivileged section. He reminded that the inclusion of Manipuri language in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution is the fruit of the relentless efforts of the CPI. The State Secretary also said CPI pressurized its allied government to uplift AFSPA from the state, and hence AFSPA was lifted from 7 assembly segments of Imphal. He accused the BJP government both at the centre and the state of trying to please only the rich corporate sectors, ignoring the plights of the public. He further blamed the BJP government of detaining a journalist under NSA. Sajan Kumar stated that it is high time for all the political parties and people to end the rule of the BJP regime. Eminent members of the party attended the event.
Miam Chawna Satorami, BJP Linga say, Yamdrabada, Chahi Kun Yamatam Hak Sason Toragani Haina, Miam Pounderami, Adabu Chahi Manga, Fathering A, Ninkaiga Dore, Laroi Handaki, Lakadoriba, Lok Sabha election Yamatung Dagidi, Narendra Modi Sarkar, a koi Bharot Laroi. Aduna, Manipur Su, Sri Birena Litoba, Sumba Sarkar say, Masinga City, no Matakang than Makan Kayagi. Mute Minekaya, journalists, puzzle again, NSA, Palaga Tamiba, Yamatahoida Sajat.
Mahud Minister Thongnaujam Shyam Kumar has inaugurated a library cum self-help group center of Moirangpur Youth Club today. Speaking in the event, Minister Shyam Kumar stated that it is high time for students to read books and maintain work culture and discipline. He said, even though internet serves as a source of abundant information on any topic one desires to know, library still plays a major role in acquiring knowledge. The minister said many developmental works are underway for Andhra constituency, including construction of libraries. He believed that the newly inaugurated library cum self-help group center will benefit students and women in the area. Social worker K.H. Rajamani, elder of Moirangpur village, Laitan Thimpisak, and many people in the area attended the event.
Reading habit nama lay bagi takalay. Magi reading pa bagi habit si lay terkadi ngang jinsi koi yaw. Laing pa draba, sana draba, tabak subi yaw draba. Adur gadi ngang jinsi apa misui woi roi. Adu na koi na labdam si school sakalay ba, hospital sakalay ba, amadi library hall sakalay ba, lay harapum sakalay ba. Hinang putih bu mayam si lawu si ubagi koi menang menang piduna state government na. Tapi mayam si kari guna benda koi. Mui bekudi maksi sub nom basi yaw draba. Amadi lay su pa basi yaw draba. Adur gadi tumgi mirong kita makta nasi di pitsi bi koi na lamjian tang rapa lambi se koi ngamoy.
Written test successful candidates of LDC Revenue Department 2016 batch has demanded to declare the LDC recruitment results of the batch conducted as per the Revenue Department's notification dated May 11, 2016. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club, President of the batch, T.H. Charanjit, demanded to declare the result within this December, failing which he warned of intense agitations by January next year. He also termed it unfortunate that the recent state cabinet meeting held on December 21st decided to revoke the recruitment entirely, which otherwise was left with just a final viva voce. Charanjit urged the government to look into the matter.
LDC Rishina, Nasagi election code of conduct Lakpan Hankiva. Bolabang Kanda, Miamgi, Numita Sumchalure, Honorable CM Unaba, SIT in a ticket Padugi, Matuina result to Matuina Paikase, process Satasin Harakpani. High but Lepi Marksida, Nagi, Manipur Gomena, cabinet decision Amagi Makada, December Gitai 21, the Vinugi Paikase, Sanabaya Roy, Aranman Tale, and script for what Layam Dre Haina Chi Tolakpani. Gomena Toribaseko Yaning Deva.
All Manipur VDF Welfare Association in a press release informed that a general committee meeting of all the 16 committees of the association will be convened at Manipur Press Club on December 28. All Manipur DPC completed re-recruitment candidate of Police Constable Male 2016 has urged the government to take a cabinet decision for declaring their result by December 28. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, spokesperson of the batch, Y. Kiran, warned of intense agitations from December 29th if the government fails to fulfill their demand. He also warned of boycotting the 2019 MP elections if their demands are not met.
Hojik Haidoktan Lariba 2016 Police Constable K. Gentle Chairman or Hariba DPCC Pal Lag Liba Tankun Pan Pobugi Manunda Cabinet Decision Laurga Hariba DPCC Pal Lautopi Haidana Honorable CM Puning Chinjari Hariba DPCC Pal Lautukta Targadi Matangi Numitaki Civil Society Organization Ka Punchin Jaraga Makal Makaki Kunjang Chanchin Jarkani Candidate me Lissing Nipan Gatsaniga Marput Tariat Asigi DPCC Pal Lautopio Lautopi the Targadi Lakador MP election 2019 Lasida
All Manipur Elementary School Teachers Association (AMESTA) in a press release strongly condemned the convergence of a site declared by teachers Bhavan by Congress during the reign into an office of Ram Krishna Mission. AMESTA said a memorandum has been already submitted in this regard to All India Teachers Federation. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on local cable operators protesting against a new tariff issued by the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Prime Time English News. Local cable operators of local cable networks, including Impact TV and ISTV today, staged a sit-in against the new tariff issued by the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India under the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. The protest was carried out by All Manipur Local Cable Operator Association at Kaisampat Laimajam Laikai Community Hall. Speaking to media, one cable operator said people can watch any channel on local cable networks of Manipur by paying a nominal fee ranging from Rs 250 to 300. However, with the new tariff, there is a provision for subscribers to choose only favored channels. He said the new tariff will be a disaster for LCOs as there will be no avenue for profits. He urged the government to look into the matter and revoke the order.
Manipur ISTV Impact TV Puna Maxin Toricina, Lepatania Piraga, Natra Chahum Pire, Herga, Sachin, Kudimanga Pangba. The Hojiki trying in you between the packets, Hamnergamagi, Redamak. Fixed to the Herga Matuki, Matung and Apamachin, the young Machampan, the Sen, the Yen and the Habiki, Marunda, Quipazamayambu, Sukiban to Birmayambu, Apung Bashidana to Bibania, Duna Queen, Basi, Trigan, nobody on Senan, Basi, Palm Datana, Quimam, Professor.
Manipur State Archives under the Directorate of Arts and Culture has launched the 39th Archives Week celebration today. A 3-day seminar on Manipur-British War, a discourse on the timeline of the Kongjom battle was also kicked off on the occasion. Speaking in the event held at Manipur State Archives Complex, MLA Moirang P. Sarachandra stressed the need to protect the history of the state in the wake of fast-changing train of the world and to leave behind an authentic historical legacy for the future generation. MLA Sarachandra also appealed to donate historically significant items in the state archives.
Contemporary world, modern men, culture, heritage, assume sing as a man than about one of I say, I can get an eye for the person.
Salai Holdings Private Limited today released its 2019 calendar and diary at the conference hall of Salai Laitho Sanglen at branch of Salai. Speaking on the occasion, Salai Chairman Naringbam Samarjit asserted that the company aims to manufacture products which will promote Maitai community. He said that a chemical-free and eco-friendly diary with bamboo covers manufactured by Salai Laitho Sanglen exhibits the artistry of artisans of the state. Samarjit said the diary spreads the message of Ibudhau Pakhangba through its portrait and message in Maitai Mayek etched on the bamboo covers of the diary. He also added that the calendar includes the dates of all the festivals of Maitai community, including dates of Manipuri lunar calendar. The chairman announced that around 3,000 copies of the newly launched calendar and diary will be given to people free of cost.
Salaina. Akogi eco-friendly oiba, adigi magi chemical-free oiba, amadi miyamda ehena kano oigadaba akogi artisans singbu yokatpa, amadi akogi ladiba, kamagi crafts sida hena anoba inot ama pinanabagi damakta oina, salaina wana magi yamna pana ilaba matungda ꯋꯥꯅ ꯃꯈꯨꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯝ ꯆꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯦ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯔꯒ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯨꯝꯗ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯕꯔꯗ ꯌꯦꯛꯆꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯕꯨꯙꯧꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯛꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯏꯕꯨꯙꯧꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯈꯪꯍꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯎꯖꯦꯜ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥ ꯀꯧꯕ ꯄꯨꯌꯥ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯡ ꯀꯧꯕꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯑꯒ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯔꯕ ꯏꯔꯩꯄꯥꯛ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯣꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯋꯣꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯂꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ.
Mangal Rural, a social enterprise established in 2011, today presented gifts to members of United Friendship Organization, UFO, an organization formed by Sajal followers. Publicity in charge of Mangal Rural, Okindro Kundongbam, handed over the gifts to commander of Sajal Academy, Langol, Huidrom Naukamba. It may be mentioned that Mangal Rural has donated around 5 lakh solar sets to make Tom Kuman village a 100% solar-powered village in the northeast. Mangal Rural recently donated computer desktops and laptops to residents of Nungthang Tampak village and was instrumental in making Nungthang Tampak a computer-literate village. Mangal Rural also played a major role in converting Kakmayai village into an LED model village. Regional Institute of Medical Sciences in a press release informed that conduction of tests or viral diseases like dengue, chikungunya and Japanese encephalitis will be resumed at state-level viral research and diagnostic laboratory at the Department of Microbiology, RIMS. 7th Manipur Rifles Battalion Kabai Soy Unit in collaboration with District NCD Cell and District Health Society Imphal East organized a one-day free screening camp at battalion campus today. Jawans of the battalion, 135 family line living at the battalion's quarter and residents in and around Kabai Soy attended the camp. Speaking on the sidelines, Commandant of 7th MR Battalion, Priya Darshini Lashram said, eating nutritious food, daily exercises and timely screening of health issues are essential for a healthy and prolonged life, and as such a free screening camp was held for the Jawans.
Hangdaba lainasina hakchang manung stage ta adum lummaga leiramba haib tare BP stroke kumba tawdana khotana khangodana leitaba khotabagi se khoi jawan marakta so sumba instances se adum thengnaje haijariba aduna diabetes kumba so dagi khoi gi kidney da any problem leiba liver da any problem leiba shigumba problem mem se early detection se am darkar oi haijariba aduna detect ta horagadi tamjana hida langthak cha dana khotana intervention whatever required adugumba mem do tawrakanda khoi life ki longevity se phajana dum magi duties tawham thopa kano mem do loin mak tawbirakanda healthy oina phajana leinanaba haibagi wakalon sidai sashigi koigi camp se pangthok chabani
diabetes se samna da leire khangba se test or khangman na tadi symptom laagadi already in the late stage oibani na screening se tawthobi targa sida wangamba suspected oigana koina makha kupthagini test se hojikti mayam koigi free diagnostic koi junga si yawbireba krishna free diagnostic test mo chu yawbiri sumba koigi prevent tawba yagani.
Teachers Association Jenims in a press release informed that the association held an executive body meeting today and resolved to carry on mass agitation by going on a mass casual leave on December 27th. On the other hand, Director of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences Jenims in a press release has instructed all doctors and senior residents, tutors, demonstrators of Jenims to be at work without fail on December 27th. And in sports news, Singjamai Kangkut beat the opponent in the 63rd Sir Churchan Singh KCSI CBE Memorial League Cum Knockout Open Kang tournament. In the 7th leg match of the Group A played today, Singjamai Kangkut thrashed IWKK Uchekon Kunau Kangkut 18-11. 10 Kangkuts divided into 2 groups are competing in the tournament organized by Singjamai Kang Association under the aegis of Manipur Kang Association at the association's Kang Sang in Singjamai Chingamathak. In tomorrow's 8th leg match of Group B, IP Wangoi Kangkut will play against Gopal Dev Kangkut Yai School. FC Arabti and RFC Khanam Lairak entered the quarterfinal of the 10th M. Rabi Chandra Memorial Football Tournament. In the fifth pre-quarter-final match played today, FC Arabdi dropped AFC Kanchipur 5-0. For the winners, Nonganba scored 2 goals at the 10th and 12th minute, while Ronaldo Chauba and Motilal netted 1 goal each at the 17th, 23rd and 28th minutes of the match. In sixth pre-quarter-final played today, RFC Kamnam Leirak beat GV RFC Kiamgai Muslim 1-0. The winning goal was scored by Ravindra at the 22nd minute of the match. 18 teams from across Manipur are participating in the football tournament sponsored by M. Rabichandra Memorial Trust at the Kiamgai Ideal High School playground. 2 pre-quarter matches will be played tomorrow. Before we conclude the bulletin, let's take a look at headlines once again. Arrests of a threat. BJP Manipur says detention of Kishore Chan Wangkim under NSA is not against human rights as it was approved by NSA board. Road fights lead to murder. Irate residents briefly blocked Tidim Road again, scaling of a man over. Road takeover by one SBI deputy manager with his license gone. Banking services affected. United Forum of Bank Unions Manipur State Committee joins nationwide day-long bank strike. Bank employees stayed sit-in at SBI MG Avenue branch. Gearing up for victory, Manipur People's Party observes 51st Foundation Day. Party announces names of candidates for upcoming Lok Sabha election. And local cable operators condemn new tariff issued by the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India.